Okay, so as you can see here guys, I've done this eyebrow and I'm going to do the next eyebrow. Now I'm just going to blend it out. As my eyebrows are so thin, okay, now I'm gonna get like my Pro Concealer and I'm gonna go under my eyebrows and just basically clean it up. And I also don't do my eyebrows. Even though my eyebrows are thin, there's still like here some hair that makes my eyebrows a bit out of shape. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do it to the other eyebrow now, and then I use a brush like this. I don't know if it's gonna, but yeah, I use a brush like this, and I just blend. And then I'll do it to the other eyebrow. Okay guys, this is one eye. This is the other eye.